How's she going, everybody? Quick little unboxing video for you today. More of an unbagging video, but let's get into it. This is from Integrity Knives. Sweet, more stickers. Very nice. Oh, I put that right out of frame. There we go. Awesome. Okay, so this is the Natrix Mini in the copper. I have yet to have a, it's got some good weight to it. I have yet to have a copper knife, so I figured I would try one now and see what all the fuss is about. Oh, wow. That is snappy. Oh, it fits the hand too. Nice. I got the mini because I just figured the full size would just be a little bit too heavy for me. So I got the mini, and I think this is going to be great. Wasn't sure if I was going to keep it or not, but I actually think I will. The scales feel nice. It'd be neat to see a patina on that. Very nice. Like I said, that's just a quick little unboxing. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll leave a link in the description below to Integrity Knives, and while you're there, use discount code SharpenBlade to receive 10% off your entire order. Thanks very much. Take care.